Hello students! Standard 7th, Subject English, The Bear and the Two Friends. Tofu tofu. Tofu, what are you doing here? Your friends and I were waiting for you at the library. I thought you promised to go with us and help our librarian Miss Peters today. Oh Tia, there are so many of you. I am sure you can manage without me. But Tofu, you promised. Why you're getting angry, Tia? It's just the library. Yes, but you promised us. How can you be so careless, Tofu? If you behave like this, one day you will have no friends left. What do you mean? Haven't you heard of the bear and the two friends? Let me tell you the story. The bear and the two friends. Once upon a time, two friends had to travel through the forest. It was a dangerous forest with many wild animals. There were lions, bears, snakes, and even poisonous spiders in the forest. As the two friends entered the forest, they were gripped with fear of what lay ahead. I am so scared. I wish you didn't have to go through this forest. I agree with you, but you have no choice. We must cross the forest to get the other village. What if we get into trouble? Let's promise that if any of us gets into trouble, the other will not run away. He will stay and help one who is in trouble. Yes, I promise you, my friend. I won't leave you alone if you are in trouble. And I promise you the same, my friend. I am feeling less scared now. I think now I can easily cross the jungle. I am glad. Let's go. After some time of walking through the forest, the two friends heard the hustling sound from the bushes ahead of them. They stopped in their tracks. What do you think it is? I don't know. I can't see clearly. Can you? Just then a dark, big figure appeared ahead of them. Oh no, it's a wild bear. It hasn't seen us yet. Run! Saying so, the boy climbed up a tall tree and sat on one of its branches. But his friend did not know how to climb a tree. My friend, I don't know how to climb a tree. Please help me to climb it. But the boy on the tree did not help him. He shook his head and held closely to the tree. The boy on the ground saw the bear approaching him and quickly lay down on the spot. He had heard that bears do not attack dead things. So he closed his eyes and held his breath and lay very still. The bear came close to him. It came close to his head and sniffed and smelled his ear to see if the boy was breathing. But the boy held his breath. Thinking that he was dead, the bear left the boy and moved on. After the bear had left, the boy from the tree came down. Are you all right? Yes, I am. That was a close call. True, it was. Tell me, my friend, I saw the bear come close to your ear and whisper something. What did it say to you? I told me to be wary of a false friend and not keep such company. Which of two friends do you think are behaving like tofu? Like the one who broke his promise and climbed the tree? What are you going to do about it? Apologize to you and my friend and go to the library immediately to help. Okay, shall we go then? So students, the moral of the story is true friends is the one who always supports and stand by you in any situation. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.